Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of amateur. Engagement or engagement in activities without payment, not professional. For example, amateur athletics. The second definition of amateur. Incompetent or inept manner. For example, it's all so amateur. American pronunciation. Amateur. Amateur. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Amateur. Say. Amateur. Amateur means engaging or engaged in without payment. Amateur. Amateur. Amateur origin. Late 18th century, from French, Italian amator, Latin amator lover, and amare to love. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Ironically, Beaumont is the amateur on this professional tour. Now, repeat after me. Ironically, Beaumont is the amateur on this professional tour. The second practice. They insisted they were amateurs, which somehow made it more noble. Now, repeat after me. They insisted they were amateurs, which somehow made it more noble. Visual representation of amateur. Amateur means engagement or engagement in activities without payment, not professional.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.